Welcome to our yogurt factory. I'm one of the engineers here, and let me show you what really happens before yogurt is born.
This is not yogurt. It's the starting point of a system built to transform at scale.
It's fresh milk inside an industrial system built for precision, where every second, temperature, and movement is tightly controlled. But once it enters this factory, everything begins to change, guided by machines, sensors, and carefully designed processes. In just a few hours, this milk will become millions of yogurt cups, filled, sealed, and moving non-stop along automated production lines.
And now, follow me to see how milk becomes perfect yogurt at massive scale every single day.
Maintaining a sterile environment is paramount. This interlocking safety mechanism ensures the connection is perfectly sealed before transfer can begin.
The coarse filter is the first line of defense, capturing larger particulates before the milk moves on. Here in the control hub, the SCADA system ensures meticulous traceability, logging every liter transferred.
Maintaining the cold chain is crucial. The glycol jacket ensures the raw milk remains at a precise 4 degrees Celsius before processing.
The centralized SCADA hub provides real-time oversight, confirming the stability of the raw milk silos.
Operating at high speed, the centrifugal clarifier efficiently removes fine sediment, resulting in a purer milk stream ready for standardization.
The centrifugal separator efficiently divides the milk. We enter the desired fat percentage, ensuring the exact content for the yogurt base.
The perfectly formulated yogurt base now enters a preheater. Through a compact plate heat exchanger,
The two-stage homogenizer forces the mixture through tiny orifices at immense speed, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture and enhanced creaminess.
The homogenized yogurt base now undergoes high-temperature short-time, or HTST pasteurization.
Held at the exact required temperature, the digital timer counts down the crucial holding time. This ensures the complete elimination of pathogens, guaranteeing product safety.
If, for any reason, the temperature falls below the critical threshold, the FDV instantly acts.
In the regenerative cooling section, the hot pasteurized base is rapidly brought down to the precise inoculation temperature. Held under positive pressure, the aseptic tank ensures a contaminant-free environment before the introduction of live cultures.
Critical quality checks verify the viscosity and bricks content. The microbiological analysis
The digital display confirms the sterilization cycle is complete, guaranteeing an aseptic pathway for the precious starter cultures.
After inoculation, the yogurt base undergoes gentle agitation within the insulated tank. A slow
Look at the slope on the 7-day trend.
It's consistent. We should hit the target pH within the hour.
This swift cooling effectively locks the delicate gel structure of the fermented milk proteins, preventing over-acidification.
The internal agitator slowly rotates, gently stirring the puree to maintain consistency.
The mixture is carefully diluted, with the inline viscometer ensuring precise consistency before passing through the fine filtration system. The insulated tank maintains a precise, cool temperature, ensuring the yogurt remains fresh and ready for packaging. Immediately prior to filling, the formed cups undergo rigorous sterilization within an enclosed chamber.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It is stable now. The synchronization is optimal.
The automated presses apply precise heat and pressure,
This creates the airtight, tamper-evident seal vital for food safety.
Every sealed yogurt cup undergoes a critical seal integrity check. Advanced sensors, often
With incredible dexterity, the robotic arm swiftly picks up multiple cups and arranges them into designated trays, ready for secondary packaging.
The warehouse management system orchestrates the entire cold storage.
Our centralized SCADA system ensures optimal yield and quality across the entire supply chain, delivering fresh products globally.
From our factory to your table, a seamless journey of freshness and quality. Enjoy.
Do you want the strawberry or the blueberry yogurt today?
Ooh, can we get the purple one?
Do you want the strawberry or the peach?
The peach one.
This is incredible. You have to try this one.
Okay, okay. Wow, that is really good.
Thanks for walking the factory floor with me. If you enjoyed this, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more factory tours.